Welcome back. Today I'm going to talk to you about lighting. I've always struggled with lighting because I've never had any. I've had the daylight from the window and the lights from the light bulbs. This isn't ideal light, but it just puts more light on the subject, lets the camera focus a little bit easier. That's not in and out all the time, hopefully. I'll check back on the footage, it'll probably be as blurry as you like. I've been watching some videos on YouTube and all these people got these big fancy lights on, ring lights, and got soft boxes and this, that and the other. And but yeah, I'll turn this light off that I've got set up now and see what difference it makes. So that's the light switched off. It's just using daylight from the window, light from the up there. It's quite a lot darker. I don't know, you know, I can only see on the screen on the camera, but I'll switch the light back on and we'll see what it looks like. So that's a lot brighter. It does create a bit of a shadow behind me from what I can see on there, and I'll have to wait till I get it all on the computer to see what the actual footage looks like. But I've saved quite a bit of money because I've done a bit of a Heath Robinson setup. I had a bit of a light setup for photographing Tina's jewellery, and she does these wire trees, and I bought a light tent which came with two lights which basically shine on the outside of the tent. So I thought, So this consists of a mic stand, a tabletop light for a light tent, and an umbrella which I bought off eBay for £2. So I'll just quickly show you this. Ta-da! And that's it. Let's have a look around the other side. So let's just, let me switch the light off and we'll be able to see it a bit better. Just fits on top of the mic stand, like so. Umbrella fits through it. That just diffuses the light a little bit, and it's got one of these fancy lights. I don't know what sort of bulbs they are, but and there you go, switch back on. So there you go, filmmaking on a budget. It needn't be expensive. So far we're doing everything on the cheap. I've got a reasonably cheap camera, come with a kit lens, reasonably cheap lighting. It's not ideal, but it does a pucker job. It's a second-hand mic stand which somebody gave me. I think the actual light itself, you can probably pick them up off eBay for less than a tenner. The umbrella was £2. Just plug it in, away you go. Job's a good one. So, bit of a tip for you, budget up. So hope you like this video. Please click the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, comment below, ask any questions you like, and it's bye for now.